Architecture offices and CAD educators have a huge amount of knowledge, but most of it stays trapped in project folders, old drawings, internal notes, or one-on-one explanations. Video can turn that knowledge into a public asset. The problem is that video production is slow. Writing, recording, editing, animating, rendering, thumbnail design, and uploading can take days. In this video, we look at Remotion and HyperFrames as programmatic video tools for architecture education. The idea is not to make low-quality automated spam. The idea is to build a repeatable visual system for useful technical videos.
Traditional video editing is timeline first. You drag clips, cut audio, place text, and adjust motion manually. Programmatic video is different. The video is built from structured assets, script, voiceover, images, captions, scenes, timing, and code. Remotion uses React-style composition. HyperFrames uses HTML, CSS, timing attributes, and animation. For architecture topics, this is powerful because many visuals are systematic. Drawings, diagrams, labels, before and after comparisons, checklists, and process flows.
The first use case is educational explainer videos. Suppose you want to explain how AI helps with CAD layer cleanup, or how to review a building code checklist, or how BIM data becomes a quantity report. Instead of editing every label by hand, you create a template, title scene, problem scene, workflow diagram, example scene, checklist scene, recap scene. Each video uses the same structure but different content. The result feels consistent, and the production time drops after the first few episodes.
This matters for channels that publish regularly. A single handcrafted video can be beautiful, but a channel grows through repeatable quality. If every episode has a clean intro, readable captions, strong first frame image, consistent color system, and practical structure, viewers know what to expect. Remotion and HyperFrames help because the design system is encoded. You are not starting from a blank timeline every time.
The second use case is drawing-based motion. Architecture videos need visuals that respect technical content. A plan can reveal room by room. A section can highlight layers. A facade can compare material options. A schedule can animate suspicious rows. A workflow can show document upload, AI summary, cloud storage, and team notification. HyperFrames is useful for HTML-style scene layout and animated text. Remotion is useful when you want a React-based video system with components, props, and programmatic rendering.
The design principle is simple. Make the viewer understand one idea at a time. Do not throw every drawing, label, and animation on screen at once. Show the problem, then show the input, then show the AI step, then show the human review, then show the result. Architecture professionals appreciate clarity. A good video should feel like a well-organized drawing set. Each sheet has a purpose, hierarchy, and clean annotation.
The third use case is voiceover-driven timing. For a 10-minute explainer, the voiceover is the spine. The script determines the length. TTS produces audio. The audio duration determines scene timing. Captions and visuals should follow the narration, not fight it. In a good automated workflow, you first write the script, then generate voiceover, then measure duration, then render scenes with timing based on the actual audio. If the audio is too short, add real examples. If it is too long, tighten the script. Do not fix weak pacing by artificially slowing the voice.
This is where validation matters. Before upload, check that the MP4 exists, the duration is correct, the audio stream exists, captions are readable, and the thumbnail is present. A render that finishes is not automatically a good video. A workflow that starts is not automatically an upload. Programmatic production gives you speed, but it also requires gates. The machine should prove that the output exists and is usable.
The fourth use case is first frame and thumbnail design. Architecture videos need visuals that immediately say what the viewer will learn. A thumbnail might show a CAD drawing beside an AI workflow, or a BIM model beside a quantity dashboard, or a construction RFI log becoming a clean action board. GPT image tools can help create a strong first frame image, but the prompt should be specific. Realistic architecture studio. Clean technical interface. Readable composition. No fake people if not needed, and enough empty space for title text.
Avoid generic AI art. Do not use random glowing robots over blue backgrounds. The viewer should see the actual domain, plans, interiors, BIM models, construction sites, material boards, or code checklists. The more concrete the image, the more credible the video feels. For a professional channel, usefulness is the brand.
A complete pipeline can look like this. Write 10 scripts, generate 10 voiceovers, create 10 cover images, render 10 videos on OC, validate outputs, then upload private or unlisted through N8N. If an upload limit appears, stop and schedule retry. If a render fails, save the log. If a video is missing audio, block upload. This is how a channel can scale without losing control.
Remotion and HyperFrames are not only tools for creators, they are also a way for architecture professionals to package expertise. A CAD library can explain how to use details. A BIM consultant can teach data standards. An interior designer can explain workflows. A civil engineer can create visual lessons about drainage, quantities, or coordination. The technical knowledge already exists. Programmatic video makes it easier to publish consistently.
A strong template library should contain scenes that match the way professionals learn. The hook scene names the pain point. The old workflow scene shows what wastes time. The AI workflow scene shows the improved process. The example scene makes it concrete. The checklist scene gives the viewer something to try. The recap scene reinforces the lesson. Once these scenes exist, a new episode becomes a content problem instead of a blank editing problem.
Captions should also be designed, not treated as an afterthought. Many viewers watch technical videos while working, commuting, or reviewing without full volume. Captions should be readable, high contrast, and timed to the voiceover. For architecture content, captions can also highlight terms like RFI, BIM schedule dry, run source, verification or human approval. Good captions make technical education easier to follow.
Finally, remember that automation should protect the channel's reputation. Use a human review before publishing. Check whether the script says anything outdated. Confirm that model names and capabilities are current. Make sure AI-generated images do not imply a real build project if they are conceptual. Make sure background music and voice rights are clear. A scalable channel still needs editorial judgment.
For architecture content, the editorial checklist should include 5 questions. Is the workflow realistic for a small office? Are the claims about AI tools current? Are safety, code, and licensed responsibility handled carefully? Do the visuals show the actual topic instead of generic technology decoration? Does the viewer leave with one action they can try this week? If the answer is yes, the video has a purpose beyond filling a schedule.
This is how programmatic video becomes a serious channel asset. The system handles repetition. The editor protects meaning. The domain expert protects accuracy. The audience receives something useful.
A good architecture channel is built from repeatable trust. Viewers return when the visuals are clear, the examples are practical, the claims are current, and every episode respects the viewer's time.
That trust is worth protecting at every render.
The fastest video is not useful if it teaches the wrong lesson.
Accuracy comes before publishing speed. To recap, Remotion and HyperFrames can help turn architecture knowledge into scalable educational videos with consistent structure, drawing-based motion, synced captions, strong thumbnails, and reliable validation. Use automation to support quality, not replace it. If you want more videos about CAD, BIM, AI agents, and architecture content production, subscribe, like this video, and comment with the technical topic you would turn into a video series.